Shigella infection. This is a new type of infection reported in the Kasaragod district of Kerala. Why there are the new infection we are finding in the Kerala like China? Due to migration. There is a higher migration, and also we can say the climate and the environment. Also, there is a region moisture ज़्यादा है. If you see, if there is a higher moisture present in the air or higher humidity in the air, and the higher we can say other things, so there is a good environment for the virus, bacteria for the growing one. So नाम से तो आप नहीं बता सकते कि है क्या. So let's see the question कि what can ये क्या हो सकता है. Shigella infection was recently mentioned in the news. It is related to fungal infection caused by the osteobolitis affect nerve cell of the brain. A bacterial infection affect the intestine and cause a severe diarrhea. A new variant of coronavirus discovered in China. A new bacterial disease of cattle which impact the milk production in the cattle. D. How many are saying B? B. Answer is B here. It's a bacterial infection which affecting the intestine and causing the severe diarrhea in the people. So let's see. So it's a contagious intestinal disorder. If there is a diarrhea related issue, then obviously it will be the intestinal related issue by a genus of bacteria known as Shigella, one of the prime pathogen responsible for the causing diarrhea, fluctuating between moderate and the severe symptoms, and mainly found in the Africa and the South Asian regions. So this is mainly found in the African and the South Asian regions. And the major symptoms like the fever, stomach ache, ho jana, are also the fever, stomach cramps also, and also the, we can say, stomach ache. These are the main, like a normal, we can say, sometimes the bloody diarrhea also. So these are some of the symptoms of this disease. If you see, we just need to know, we need to diverse our things ki hai kya, kahan hota hai, what are the major causative agents kya hai, how the question can be framed. In general study, there is a word general. PhD तो नहीं करना है obviously, masters भी नहीं करना है, general रहना है. This exam is equivalent for all. Either from the BA, either from the BTech, either from the MBBS or any other field, jitni bhi XYZ field hai. So they are framing a question paper like ki everybody is equal for them. They are not giving any age to any field. So they are making the questions ki everybody can answer if they are using their common sense or if they are reading well. Two option है. Common sense से तब होगा जब आपने पढ़ा अच्छा होगा. अगर पढ़ोगे नहीं तो common sense is without any sense, we can say. So ये चीज आपको ध्यान में रखनी है. We mark most of the question wrong overthinking से. Example is the economy question mostly. In a case of trend, in a case of repo rate, reverse repo rate, in a case of bond, even in the some of the case of the polity, if I am asking the question not the factual purpose, I am asking from the philosophical purpose, you will mark it wrong. Because आप उसको multiple चीजों से link करोगे. Like a definition of liberty was in the paper. So you need to think like a simple liberty होता क्या है, बस simple, उसको multiple जगह से relate नहीं करना है. So you need to be focused कि like yes, this is the first thought, तो यही हो सकता है most of the time. So transmission. Whenever you are reading a disease, there is need to know number one, causative agents. Number two, transmission. Number three, affecting which part of body. Number four, any vaccine or any treatment available. Vaccine or treatment. Number five, prevalent in which area. Specific कोई area है या it's all over the world. Prevalent in which area. These are the 5 dimensions whenever you are reading a disease. Or in the context of India, if there is a specific thing, like in the case of diabetes, there are some specific cases in the India. In a case of typhoid also. So उस case में आपको India के perspective में भी जाना है. Otherwise, you need to read the general things about the disease. Like if you see the hepatitis question in 2021, they are giving hepatitis B is having the vaccine and hepatitis C is not having the vaccine. How it is possible? And most of the students mark that question wrong. तो इस तरीके से हमें थोड़ा कॉमन सेंस लगाना है. हेपेटाइटिस बी और सी में डिफरेंस म्यूटेशन, affecting some of the part of the body. So if we are developing a vaccine, it can also having some effect on the C, some effect on the B as well. If I will say we developed a vaccine for the coronavirus for a single variant, the initial variant we can say B16 जो भी था, this vaccine is also having the effect on the other variant, upcoming variant as well. So it's having some of the efficacy there. We can say if in the initial variant, if they're having the efficacy of the 80%. So in this case, having the efficacy of the 60% maybe, but it having the efficacy. So we cannot say that bluntly the vaccine is not present in the country. So that was a statement in the hepatitis question there. So this can be contaminated from food and water. Diarrhea ka mainly region yahi hota hai. If you see about the food poisoning, there are mainly regions you are eating the food outside or having the like a safai ka issue jo hota, cleanliness issue also. And this is the important one. This can spread from person to person contact. Yes, it's a communicable disease. So it can be spread from the one person to the another person. And the bacteria also affecting through the ingestion and attack the epithelial lining of the colon. Colon is a part of the intestine. Anybody can tell the part of the intestines? Small intestine, large intestine. Esophagus से start होगा. Small intestine, large intestine, colon, anus. These are the 5 ones. ठीक है. तो ये basic biology है. 10th में सबने पढ़ी है. It's not like excuse कि हमने science नहीं पढ़ी है. Now the IRMS is also included. So stick to basic. Out of the 14, I can say 5, 6 will be from the basic only. Okay. So this was the question asked in the 2014. Consider the following disease. Number 1, diphtheria. Number 2, chickenpox. Number 3, smallpox. So which of the disease given above has been eradicated in India? Confirm? Yes. Okay. Answer is B here.